Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Trading Secrets. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who do not know, my name is Ali. I have over 20 years experience teaching accounting, economics, business and law. And through this channel I'll be providing some stock analysis and a quick update on the $1 Million Challenge. So if anybody's not aware of this is a journey of an investment of $1,000 to a return of $1 million over a period of 3 years using a strategy called compound return investing. So the objective is try to get 201 trades, each with an average return of 3.5%. It's not 201 consecutive trades. We do take into account losses. So for further details of how to join us in the challenge for as little as $9 a month, information is available in the description below. In the previous video we did a review of our weekly watch list, and we also looked at potential buyers for NextBridge hydrocarbons, so please refer back to the previous video for those updates. In today's video we're going to be looking at ticker symbol SAVA Cassava Sciences, and we're also going to be looking at ticker symbol MMTLP with a focus on a potential timeline and also a potential speculation with regard to a potential announcement of a sale. So before we do that, quick follow up from the previous video where I shared with you a response from Fidelity. So the good news here is John Berger has responded to this query, and what is stated here in a post on September the 9th 2022 is that Fidelity's response is wrong. Read the S1, preference will be cancelled, NextBridge will be private with no trading market, not DTC eligible, therefore no way to clear. So again, this is still a bone of contention for some of the bears who are claiming that NextBridge is going to be public, it is going to be trading on the OTC. So again, another response, another confirmation here from John Berger that that's not the case, and also refuting the potential claims by Fidelity. I think actually from a Fidelity point of view it may have been one of the advisors who was quite ill-informed. Now I'm going to do is share with you some potential timelines for a spin out and a sale. So before I go through these dates, one thing I'd like to first of all clarify and remind everyone that these are speculative dates, they're not actual dates. However, it is just based on potential in terms of what could happen going forward. So let's have a look at first of all some of the dates that we do know and have been confirmed. First of all, July 15th was the S1 that was submitted, so that one is a confirmed date. There is an unconfirmed date, and that is with regard to the SEC's first comment letter asking for amendments, but we do know that was before September the 5th, but we don't know the actual date, but that's not important. What is important is we know that the S1A was submitted with amendments and responded to, and that date is September the 5th. So those are the dates that we know. Going forward, the next date that we're probably interested in the most is the approval. So speculation here, I'm stating here that we could get that on September the 16th. So again, very little time there left there, but purely speculation, and the date I'm speculating here is September the 16th. Then the other date we're going to have is the ex-dividend date, speculation for that. We're looking at potential date there for September the 28th. Record date, we're looking at potential record date of September the 29th. Now, if we look at the T+2 settlement rules of stocks, the last date to possibly buy MMTLP could be September the 27th. So when we say the last date to buy, we're talking about the last date to buy MMTLP in order to receive the NextBridge stock. Common stock would be potentially the September the 27th, based on all these dates here that are being shared. And then another date that a lot of people may be interested in is when is there likely to be a run-up? When could we see a run-up in MMTLP? So the speculation here, potential run-up in MMTLP could be between 19th of September to the 27th of September with shorts covering. So again, that's the key date there. And another thing to be aware of is a distribution date. We're looking at distribution date or payment date, and that is looking at when will we receive our NextBridge shares, when will they be credited to us. That's not going to be immediate, so speculation with regard to this, we could get those around about the 17th of October. And finally, the other date that I think is probably the most important date and the key date with regard to everybody's focus on, and that is a possible announcement of a sale. Again, purely speculation, but we could get this 1st of November 2022. It could be earlier. Some people are saying it could be immediately after transfer of shares. It could be immediately after the record date. We don't know. It's all speculation. What we could do is adjust these dates +2, -2, +1, -1 as soon as we receive approval of the S1. We're now going to have a quick look at ticker symbol SAVA, also known as Cassava Sciences Incorporated. So I'm going to first of all share with you what's going on in terms of the chart. So if we have a look at the chart for the previous 5 days, we can see there's been an excellent recovery in the stock. It's up in excess of 28% over the previous 5 days. Close of play on the Friday, it was also up in excess of 10.7%, closing at $32.80. So let's have a quick look in terms of a reminder of the key catalyst and breaking news for Cassava Sciences that we had earlier, and that was with regards to the Journal of Prevention of Alzheimer's Diseases and looking at no convincing evidence to support data manipulation allegations in a 2020 paper. So good news there. Cassava Sciences is now completely clear, so this is good news. And now let's have a look at what's happening right now in terms of this week. So headline here, September the 8th, 2022. Cassava Sciences is to present at the H.C. Wainwright Global Investment Conference that's taking place this week. So hopefully in this presentation we also do get some good news with regard to SAVA. Finally, I'd like to share with you a quick review of our weekly watch list, which was shared in advance with the Discord members exclusively prior to trading last week. And if you would like to get access to the latest weekly watch list, you can certainly consider joining us on our Discord. But if you look on the screen here, quick review of some of the stocks that we called out and some of the successes. We called out ticker symbol AUR, that was up 29% on the week. We called out Holy, that was up close to 2% on the week. We also called out NCNO, that was up approximately 11% on the week. We also called out ticker symbol RUBY, that was up close to 71% between Wednesday and Thursday, with a great chance there to take profits. We also called out USEA, that was up close to 35% on the week. And we also called out ticker symbol ADBE, Adobe, which we did predict to have positive earnings. So that was certainly the case, and that was up close to 7%. So if you'd like to get the latest watch list, again, details are in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned.